Oh boy. Well, it's the day after the big blizzard of 2013 up here in the Northeast in the northern New Jersey, New York area. The wind chill is kicking up. Department of Public Works did a good job though this time plowing, and of course my lower back, my lumbar region is very sore from shoveling. As you can see, I shoveled. And oh well, gotta make the best of it. Still plowed in as far as getting some good whiskey in the house for this winter in February. Saturday, February 9th, 2013. Alright, so still snowbound. You know what a toy shop company should do? I just thought of it. A toy company should make a do-it-yourself igloo building kit for kids. Instead of kids making boring snowmen, make some kind of a kit where they can make solid blocks of snow and make their own igloos, so they could use the igloo as a clubhouse. Not a bad idea. Yeah, James P. Madonna signing off. Maybe I'll make some hot tea. Who the hell knows? I'm eating homemade chicken soup with egg noodles. European imported egg noodles from Poland, not that American crap. No Pennsylvania Dutch for me. Even though it doesn't come from Lancaster County. No bogus egg noodles in my chicken soup.